Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for all coming here. Today I'm doing I've already done it, a black forest cheesecake, and I've decided to do fun facts about cheesecakes. Yay, you're welcome. Did you know that you can buy cheesecake flavored stamps? Did you know cheesecakes are made from cream cheese? Did you know the largest cheesecake ever made weighed about a colossal 6,900 pounds? And did you know the bottom of cheesecakes are a biscuit? Did you know the original recipe for the first cheesecake was printed in the newspaper? Whoa! Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, if you love it, and try it. Hopefully it's great. Well, I actually hope you like this video, and if you're keen to do it, see if you can follow my how-to video, and yeah, hopefully it comes out great. See ya, bye! Like and subscribe. Catch you guys later. Bye. Just kidding, I'm still here.